Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here's your daily technical analysis of energy futures. I'll start with ICE Brent crude oil futures. A large key reversal down on Friday that defined last week's actions. Prices punched down through and closed below the rising short-medium moving average, currently at 80.73. That's the partner to the rising middle time slightly above that, which is currently at 81.12 of the March to August bullish Andrews pitchfork, as well as perhaps most importantly the neckline currently 80.81 of the recent October to November small head and shoulders top pattern. This last strong close below has prompted me to place a primary target X in the 77.44 area and a secondary target X1 in the 74.02 area for this head and shoulders top pattern. Interestingly, the low of the day was right on the congestion at 78.01. Now so far today, a lower opening and a spike lower, almost but not quite reaching target X in the 77.44 area before backing upwards to just over Friday's close, or just around Friday's close. The reason the dip didn't quite make it to target X at the first attempt, I put down to an initial aversion of the market to the slowly rising medium moving average support below. That's currently at 76.79. ICE gas oil futures. Now, an impressive combined key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern on Friday. It was the lowest close since late September, and the market managed to pierce and close below the following. The middle time, currently 670.5 of the rising, if broken, March to August bullish Andrews pitchfork. The September 2019 high at 673.75, and the important 50% absolute Fibonacci line at 669.75. This further cements the recently developed high-sloping up and right head and shoulders top type pattern as a major recent pattern driving the market here. The neckline is currently at 705.5. I now feel obliged to point out the primary and secondary targets for this pattern. Now, a primary target is in the 635.5 area, whilst the secondary target is in the 587 even area. Interestingly, the primary target X is below the rising medium moving average, currently 644.75, whilst the secondary target X1 is below the slowly rising long moving average, currently at 596.25. So far today, a slightly higher opening and a test up over all three nearby overhead resistances. That is the 50% Fibonacci line, the middle time, and the September 2019 high. But since then, prices have flagged and dropped back down below all three again. At the moment, we are looking like a reactionary bullish harami today. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final bit.